Hi everyone, Zdravo. My name is Wal Zainab and I got 3 questions about Vrania. First question is what Vrania means for me. Well, I spent one of the best period of my life in Vrania. Actually, the words cannot explain what Vrania means for me. It's part of my heart. The way people, I love the way people were accepting me. I love the way people were welcoming me. I felt home there. It was really safe for me, it was something really special. Second question is what I like the most in Vrania. I like the most in Vrania family time. When the people were meeting each other for Slava, visiting each other for Slava, all the members of the family are like sitting on the same table, eating with each other and talking, drinking. That is something really special in this life, which I miss in my life, unfortunately. And I hope none of all the people around the world will have this in one day. Third question is what I will never forget in Vrania. I will not forget anything in Vrania, any moment in Vrania. I will not forget the way when I was telling the people like that I came from Syria, and they were like so much welcoming me, so much accepting me. I felt member of their families when they were inviting me to their houses. There wasn't anyone, I cannot remember anyone who bothered me in Vrania. People are simple, like the life there is simple. That is what I adore in Vrania. Last year I came to Serbia for a visit, and at the airport they asked me like where am I going, and I told them I am going to my family. I have family here in Serbia, and I really meant that because I feel that I really have family in Serbia.